Howdy, Travis from KnowHow here. Today I'm going to show you KnowHow's brand new Chrome extension, which takes the power of Howie, our AI tool that gives you all the answers that you need instantly, and brings that into your Chrome browser. So as you're using different softwares and on different websites, if you've got questions, you no longer need to go to a KnowHow tab to get that answer. It's actually right there waiting for you. And not to sound like the ShamWow guy, but wait, there's more. Because with KnowHow's new Chrome extension, we've actually made it easier than ever to record a step-by-step how-to. I guarantee you've never seen something like this before. Let me show you exactly how it works. All right, first off, I'm here in QuickBooks, but actually before we jump into QuickBooks, I want to show you where you can get the Chrome extension if you don't yet have it already. So all you do, Google search, KnowHow Chrome extension, easy peasy. First link up at the top, that's us there. This will say something like install or add if you haven't added it yet. So you click that, and just like that, you've got the KnowHow Chrome extension. It's going to get you to log in for the first time. And once you're all logged in, you'll see now this little K. It follows you around. Any website you have ready to answer any question. So let's say I'm on QuickBooks here, and I don't know how to create a new role for someone on my team. All I have to do is click this button, search with Howie, and ask my question. How do I create a new role in QuickBooks? You can see I was searching this earlier, so it gives me the answer. So just like that, I'm going to hit enter, and now it's going to find a process on how to create a new role in QuickBooks, and it's going to bake out what I need to do step by step. If I want more details, I click on this link here, and it's going to show me step by step how to create a new role. In this case, I actually created this with KnowHow's screen capture tool, which I'm going to show you in a second, which allows me to watch a video of the whole thing, breaks down step by step what to do every step of the way. So you can see here, I can just follow this, navigate to the roles tab. Okay, I'm on the roles tab. What's next? Add a new role. Click the add role button. Perfect. Now set the role permissions. All of that's there. Give it a name as well. Awesome. Everything laid out in front of me here, and I never had to leave my QuickBooks tab in order to get that answer. If I get stuck on anything, video here that I can watch is going to give me all the information that I need. Incredibly helpful. Stayed in QuickBooks the whole time. You can see how much of a difference this is going to make if you're using something like Magic Plan or Core Logic. Both of those companies create know-how, how-tos for all know-how users, or any other software that you use that has information on how to use it in know-how. Super simple. I highly encourage everyone to download this Chrome extension. But let's say that you don't yet have how-tos on how to use a specific software. Let's say you're the QuickBooks expert in your company, and you're always getting people asking you, how do I do this in QuickBooks? How do I do that in QuickBooks? Let me show you how much easier KnowHow has made it thanks to this Chrome extension. So I'm going to pull up this Chrome extension, but instead of clicking down here where it says search with Howie, I'm going to click this button, record a screen capture. So what this is going to do is it's going to screen capture my screen. I'm going to record something here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to narrate exactly how to do something while I'm recording my screen. And so let's just say I want to create a new project in QuickBooks, and I want to explain to people on my team how to create a new project in QuickBooks. I'm going to find my screen here. In this case, it's this one. I'm going to click share. And then I'm just going to start describing how to do it, and we'll see what happens. All right, so we're going to find out how to create a new project in QuickBooks. So first thing you want to do is click this Work tab on the left-hand side. When you click Work, now you're going to see this button here called Create Project. So what I just did is I'm describing to all my team members how to create a project. I just hit pause here. Now I'm not recording. And then when I click this play button, I'm going to resume recording, and we'll pick up where we left off. All right, so you're going to click Create Project. And then if you have a template, you're going to choose the template that you want. In this case, we'll choose biweekly payroll. I can fill out the client information here, who to assign it to. In this case, it'll just be my firm, any first instances, any repeating, things like that. And then once that's all done, I'm going to click save. Oh, don't forget to assign it to someone. Probably me is who you're going to assign it to in this case. Now you're going to click save. Now you've got a bunch of tasks because it was a template, but if it's not a template, you can just add any tasks you want. Super easy to create a new project. So we're going to all right, so what I just did is I just recorded a video on how to create a new project for my team. What KnowHow's doing is it's taking that screen recording with that description and it's uploading it to KnowHow and turning that into a step-by-step process right before our eyes. Let's watch it work. So you see this process here, create a new project in QuickBooks. You've got video clips every step of the way, access the work tab, create a new project, fill out project information, save the project, add tasks to the project. So just like that, in the 50-second video that I filmed on how to create a project in QuickBooks, KnowHow took that 50-second video and turned it into a step-by-step repeatable process that anyone on my team can reference. Because it's being turned into a process, it can also be translated into any language. Our AI is going to run over top of it. So if anyone has questions on, oh, hey, how should I assign this project? Who should I assign it to? It's going to find that information buried in step 4 and bring it back and resurface it. So finally, to close the loop, you can see I've now have this process here. Every step has been defined. I've got video clips all along the way. I can watch the full video up here, or for the final test, let's try it out, shall we? Let's say I'm in QuickBooks. How do I create a project in QuickBooks? I'm going to search here, and just like that, it found the process we just created. I, as the QuickBooks expert in my company, are not getting pinged hundreds of times a week anymore because that information is documented forever in KnowHow. Anyone can use it, translated into any language. You can see how KnowHow's Chrome extension is going to fundamentally transform how easily you can capture your how-to and share it with your team, and how readily available that how-to is for all of your team members, whether they are on a job site or in the office. Now they don't even need to open up a KnowHow tab to get instant answers so they can work more competently and confidently. If you want more information on how you can use KnowHow to equip your team, you know what to do. Head to tryknowhow.com. Thanks.